Okay, Tanrin, Nicholas Mayer, number 11, writing a note on a fan. So, as you see, I got one of those nice fancy brushes. See, check it out. I actually got this at Hobby Lobby. I don't know if you can see that. It's just like a Japanese writing pen. Oh, here we go. Let's see. We're gonna do the. As you can see, it's so-so. So this is done for my Tanrin. Writing a message on a fan. These are the fans that I have. I bought a box of 50. So if you send me a message, I will be able to post you white fans. I'm going to do them. You get 2 of them. You get 2 of these. $5. And that includes the postage in the 50 states. So just hit me up if you need a fan for doing Tanrins. Like I said, I can send you 2 of them for $5. And that's it.